How excellent in all the earth, O Lord, is your name. Who has your glory set so high above the starry frame? From mouths of children and of babes you have ordained your mind to silence every enemy and put the foe to flight. When I look up into the heavens, your fingers work, I see the moon and stars which you have set in perfect harmony. Then I must ask, what is a man that you should keep in mind? Or what the Son of Man that you to him are always kind? For you have made him just a bit below the angels' place. With glory and with dignity you crowned his head with grace. You made him Lord of all your works to lead and to survey. Beneath his feet all living things you did securely lay. The herds of sheep and oxen too, and beasts within the field. The birds and fish and all that move within the oceans yield. How excellent in all the earth, O Lord, is your name. How excellent, how excellent, how excellent your name. How excellent, how excellent, how excellent your name. How excellent in all the earth, O Lord, is your name. So that's Psalm 8. If you want to learn how to play that psalm, then I have a video for that. But thanks for hanging out, and God bless. Peace.